Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, this collection is all about the hair cutting, the hair styling, the hair shades and best ideas of 2022 for girls. In this collection you see the short bob haircuts ideas, thin haircuts ideas, how to change your look, how to groom your personality. I provide you the simple ideas. So keep watching my YouTube channel, like to my YouTube channel, share to my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Guys, one of the best platform and one of the best ideas of related to fashion, amazing ideas and amazing colors of hair that you like, that you love. The contrast is very beautiful. The combination of hair dye is very beautiful. Short bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, long haircuts, short haircuts, and guys, a huge amount of collection and a huge amount of designs are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you like, then share, and if you are new, then subscribe, as well as press the bell icon for more updates about my YouTube channel. Top Fashion Collection is not only provide you the hair cutting but as well the makeup art, makeup styling with name. The haircuts with name is most trending. So guys, like the channel, share the channel, and one of the bestest platform guys, and amazing dye, amazing shades, amazing colors, and wavy haircuts ideas, and straight haircuts is look so amazing, look so beautiful, look so attractive. When you take any haircut, your personality is automatically changed. You look so beautiful, you like very pretty girl. And if you like my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, then ask me in comment box. Watch the video and to like the video and to share my videos with your family and friends. Groom your personality, change your personality, and increase your beauty with my YouTube channel that provides you the hair styling and the haircuts and the hair ideas. And I think this collection is very useful for you when you thinking about your hair cutting and take any haircut, and provide you the simple classy ideas. So watch my videos, to like the videos, to share the videos with your family and friends. So bestest platform, and like to my channel, share to my channel, one of the best